Hey everyone, today, I'm going to show you how to delete multiple messages on Discord using your PC with the latest update. If you've got a cluttered chat and need to tidy things up, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and in the channel where the messages you want to delete are located. Now, find the first message you'd like to delete. Hover your mouse over that message, and you'll see 3 dots appear in the upper right corner. Click on those dots to bring up a menu with more options. From the drop-down, select Delete Message. This will prompt a pop-up asking you to confirm your choice. Go ahead and click Delete in that pop-up to remove the message. Now, here's the key. You'll need to repeat these steps for each message you want to delete. Simply hover over the next message, click the 3 dots, choose Delete Message, and confirm it again. It might take a few moments, but this method ensures you can carefully select which messages to remove. While there's no bulk delete option in Discord right now, this straightforward process allows you to clear out your messages one by one. And that's it. You've successfully deleted multiple messages on Discord. Keeping your chat clean and organized can really enhance your experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on Discord and beyond. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.